Those are the best ways to find trading opportunities. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to find the best trading opportunities. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna show you how the best traders find their profit opportunities. I'll tell you a lot of free information. So let's start. My first pick, of course, is Forex Trendy. Why? This is a Forex trend scanner that scans 34 Forex pairs plus 3 commodities: gold, silver and oil. The easiest way to trade is trading with trend. Trend is your friend. This advice is very useful for beginners, okay? Because markets are not going to behave good with you guys. So for this reason, trading with trends is gonna be pretty easy. You're not gonna win 100% of the time, but you will have a very high success rate. This online tool is pretty helpful because it identifies trends and continuation patterns that form during trends. It recognizes flags, triangles and wedges, and sends you signals, audible alerts. You will find all the time frames for every trading style. So if you are a day trader, you will find a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. If you are a long-term trader, you will find upper time frames till the monthly one. So for example, here we are on the euro and the Turkish lira 1 minute time frame. We have a downtrend, as you can see here from the red arrow. The pattern is a triangle, sell signal, and every time the price breaks through the trend line, you will receive an alert. Below the chart, you'll find take profit levels for those ladies and gentlemen that are not comfortable with Fibonacci extensions. And I'm going to show you how you can use this tool, especially if you are a day trader. Here are all the completed patterns, because we are in the completed pattern section. For example, let's take a look at the 15 minutes time frame. On the gold, we have a triangle, and those are the Fibonacci targets. Not all the signals are going to be profitable, of course. Before taking opening a position, always look at the higher time frames and find the supports and resistances. You must understand where the market is going. If you have a small account, I suggest you to go small. If you have like 1,000 on your balance, then don't trade with lots, trade with micro lots. Money management is fundamental to grow your account, and of course you must use back-tested strategies, because if you are using a strategy that is not profitable on the long run, you are going to lose money. Scrolling down the page, you will find a very interesting section. I can't show you all the emerging patterns because this is a premium service. And for example, here we have an emerging pattern on the daily. We have a triangle, and every morning, once you wake up, you open Forex Trendy, you check out the emerging patterns, do your considerations, and see if the emerging pattern is good or not. And if the price breaks through the pattern, then you decide whether to enter or not. You will receive, of course, an alert. Another interesting feature that you will find on Forex Trendy is a trends section. Here you will get all the best trending pairs and the three commodities I previously mentioned. And on the top of the page you will find the best trending pair with the lowest drawdown. You can set the drawdown value here on the settings page. And for example, here we have a downtrend on the euro and the British pound for our time frame. And if you look below the chart, you will find all the trends direction on each time frame plus the drawdown. Scrolling down the page, the drawdowns will grow. So it's up to you, to your strategies, whether to enter or not. Clicking here on settings, you can make your adjustments. For example, in the trend section, you can decide which forex pair to trade with, okay, and receive signals, the time frames, and this is a very interesting function, okay. The alerts alert me when the drawdown falls below, for example, 15%. I don't like to follow trends with a drawdown bigger than 20%, 18%, but it's up to you guys. Same story for patterns. When you come here on patterns, pay attention to this voice reliability. I selected medium, so I receive a good amount of signals every day, but I have to filter them. There are many good opportunities. If you watch my previous videos that are made on forex trendy, you will see that you will find interesting trading opportunities. If you want to be comfortable, avoid emotions from trading, just select this highest option. You will receive less signals, but they will be more reliable. This is the alerts section. You can decide to receive your signals on your mailbox or through SMS. And if you are a day trader, you will receive audible alerts on your screen, on your device screen, if you leave the website open. Once you have done everything, click on save. The price is pretty competitive. You can get it for 60 cents per day for a quarterly membership. So at the end of the game, you just pay $36 every 3 months. So it's like, I don't know, $3 per week. Let's jump to my second pick. Oh, I was forgetting. You find the forex trend link below in the description. My second pick is harmonicpattern.com. This is a service that recognizes harmonic patterns on many markets. Harmonic patterns are the easiest way for beginners to identify opportunities on markets that don't really have a clear direction. They have a very high success rate. Their rate is about 80%. But of course, before trading them, you must have a strategy. Pricing is very good. You can get it for $30 per month, and it recognizes patterns on forex, cryptos, metal, commodities, and indices. You also have a 7 days free trial. And if you go here on blog, you will find many interesting information. They teach you how to trade correctly. What to do when a pattern fails, for example, or harmonic pattern and Elliott wave theory, advanced technique. As you can see, there are many ways to get good signals. My third way is on tradingview.com. If you go here on ideas and click on asset class and on currencies, let's suppose you are a forex trader. Then you will find other traders' ideas. I don't suggest you to copy other people's trades, but you will find many interesting point of views. Make your analysis first, and then according to your strategy and rules, decide whether to enter or not. For example, we have Euro and USD multi-time frame analysis, very interesting. Or Australian dollar, Japan yen possible trend reversal. TradingView is offers the free account, so if you don't have it, it's free. You can sign up. If you want to use more advanced tools, you have to pay a membership. And I really like this website. My fourth pick is investing.com. This website is a great source for financial news. It's very useful for day traders, but I mean, it's useful for everybody, for all the traders. I usually go here on news and forex every morning before starting my activity and check out the news, especially if you trade on a 5-minute time frames. You're gonna find interesting news. For example, this one, Euro and Japan yen is price is consolidating, blah blah blah. Every morning, once you wake up, you check out the news and take your decisions. My last option is eToro. Why eToro? This is a very good way to start trading for those people that are just approaching the trading world, are anxious to get in the market. Since the markets are not going to be good with you, ladies and gentlemen, because nobody knows where the market is going, so you will have to learn as much as possible before opening any position, investing any money. On this platform, this is a very famous one, you will find the best traders on the internet. You can copy them, you can interact with them, so you will have the opportunity to learn from them. It's a popular one, it's a regulated company, so you don't have to worry about anything. They have like 7 million customers. This number, a huge number, is the open trades on eToro. If you are a newbie, it's a great way to start. I made a video where I show you how to find the best traders. You will find amateur traders and professional traders. I don't use it for day trading because of their higher spreads compared to other brokers. But if you have like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 and you want to start investing, it's a very smart way to start with trading. So for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below if you want to add something. Show excuse me, share your opinion. Nothing. See you soon and good trading, everybody. Bye bye.